About 99% of people that search for how to make money online on the internet actually don't make money online. And there are lots of reasons, and I have actually made this video to actually discuss the reasons why I feel a lot of you don't make money online. Now, in this video, I am going to actually highlight different ways you can make money online, and I'm going to give you my opinion on which ones you should actually pay attention to. I'm also going to list these reasons why you don't make money online and tell you solutions to actually solve this so you can actually start earning a lot of money from the internet. Now, to make money online, generally, you have to provide a service, you have to complete a task, and you have to do something. You don't just sit down and make money. So generally, there are different ways you can make money online, and we have content creating, we have e-commerce, we have micro works and freelancing with remote gigs. I classified all these ones together. Then we also have investment and trading. I classified those ones also together. Now, I generally don't advise beginners to start with income demanding or those kind of ways to make money that has a lot of courses. Those one that has a lot of people telling you, buy my course and I'm going to teach you this strategy, I'm going to teach you this method. Example, like starting an e-commerce shop can be a little bit tricky for a complete beginner. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I'm saying it's completely different from doing something that is completely free. In fact, my first business I started online was a Shopify shop, and it got to a stage where I was asked to start to pay, I think, for kind of like rent, but I couldn't pay for that and I had to quit that business. Now, something like also forex trading, where you see a lot of people telling you, come to my coaching, I'm going to teach you. I generally don't advise a lot of beginners to start with those, unless this is something you have a lot of passion for. Then you can actually start that. Now, content creating, I really recommend content. In fact, for like 60% of you watching this video, I recommend you to start creating content, because although it takes a long time to start seeing the dividend from creating content, it is very cheap to create content. Like, all I have here is a light, I have a small mic, and that's all. I'm steadying my phone on something, not even a working tripod. So it's very easy to start creating content, but the issue is that a lot of people starting content, they just want money so quick. They want to start making YouTube money, they want to start making ad revenue money from any social media they're using. It takes patience to actually start to make money from creating content. So another one I recommend is what I actually do: remote working, freelancing, and micro gigs. These are actually very nice ways you can make money because they are like free to start. So now let's go into the video properly. Why I feel a lot of people don't make money online. One of these reasons is that a lot of you watch irrelevant videos. You come on YouTube and you start looking for how to make free money online, and you see a video like, this application will give you 10 million naira, will give you $20 per hour, and this is a trash content. The creator is just giving you information. So at the end of the day, you watch, you don't make anything from what he shared, and he makes ad revenue in return. So you're the one at loss here. It's a win-win for the creator. He doesn't even try what he's sharing with you. There's no experiential knowledge with what he's sharing. Sometimes they just go online, Google stuffs, and pack them for you, and you just watch these videos and you gain nothing from it. And this is one big reason, because you watch the wrong content, you follow the wrong people. Not to self-advertise, but I want to say that if you're looking for like remote gig and freelance opportunities, that is what my channel is dedicated to. And most times I see the opportunities I share are things I have actually done. Now, a brief story just for you to drive the point of what I'm trying to say is this. So there's a YouTuber I normally follow, Road to Retire. Very good guy, very calm guy with, lots of information packed in. Then he did a video about an opportunity. Another YouTuber called Mr. Money went and did that same video, sharing it like an experiential knowledge, a video another YouTuber did. In fact, using things like mannerisms, like those kind of small mannerisms. He copied the script of the video and started performing the video as if it is something he knows about. This just goes to tell you that a lot of these creators don't know what they are saying. They just go and do research. That one did not even do research. He didn't care to paraphrase, just started reciting it. And I just think it's a very funny thing. And it sparked a little controversy as of, I think that was last year. So be very mindful of the content creators you choose to follow. Now, another reason a lot of people don't make money online is that you don't have any skill. You don't know anything to you don't have any value you can even give, because you don't know, you don't want to learn, you don't want to develop yourself. And I say this, if you're a student in 100 level, 200 level, 300 level, and you have guidance, you have parents that are giving you upkeep, you can feed yourself. I don't think you should bother yourself so much about how to make money online, how to make money online. Spend these periods developing a skill. Now, take like about a year. If you're in 100 level to 200 to 300, develop a very good high income skill like programming, app creation, prompt engineering. You know, there are lots of skills, cloud development. There are lots of skills you can actually learn. That when you learn this skill, you become so valuable in the job market, and this will go a long way to make you, to make you distinct when you start looking for ways to make money online. Now, another thing I advise for everybody to do if you really want to make money online, it's actually to create a LinkedIn account. I can't overstress this. I've said this severally in my videos. I don't know why someone will want to make money online and they are not on LinkedIn. But you spend a lot of time on Twitter, on other social media, Facebook. You stay on Facebook, you keep texting, you tag this one, you post this one, instead of you to spend that time on LinkedIn, which will be profitable to your career in the short term and in the long run. You spend that time in some other app. In fact, have you ever been in that situation where you open TikTok, you scroll, you keep watching, and you get to a point where even yourself, you're wasting your time, and you close the app just to click it back again, and you'll be like, what's wrong? That's an addiction. Channel that energy into creating content, into developing a better profile for LinkedIn, and this will go a long way to actually earn you money in the long run. Now, another issue a lot of people have when they're trying to make money online, which I think by now should be in the third one, is that you chase too many things. Today you are learning how to start to create content. You make one video, you don't do another video again for like 3 weeks. Next thing, you are learning how to write a blog. Next thing, you have created this account. Like, how many things do you want to do? And this causes quitting. This makes you become a quitter because you start stopping this one, starting this one, stopping this one, so that kind of vicious circle is not good for someone who wants to actually build something. So if you decide that, okay, I want to start to create content, maybe I want to be a blogger, and I generally advise before you start blogging, which has a lot of money, you should actually create like 10 blogs. If you can write down 10 blogs before you buy your domain and your host, write the 10 blogs down. If you feel fatigued in this process, then maybe you're not ready for blogging yet. So you don't just spend your money and buy a domain and host and you don't create content. So focus your energy on something and see it through, get success, learn, follow the relevant creators in that field. So if you're a blogger, I'm not a blogger, so I won't tell you come and subscribe to me, I will teach you how to blog. There are better people you can follow that you can actually learn from. So follow those people and develop that skill. This will pay you in the long run. Now, there was something I forgot to list when I was talking about ways you can make money. You could actually create digital content, and this is something I also like ebooks. You can write a book and sell online. This one is a very good way to actually also make money. So I just wanted to add this in the closing of this video. So guys, these are the reasons I feel like a lot of people don't make money online. And if you've watched this video till this point, I believe there are things you've noticed and you can do differently.